Hey yo, it's your boy G Code back at you with another video. Hope you like it. Alright guys, back at you. Just getting off of work. About to get y'all a cold starter, man. I got Pop's car today. Get y'all a cold starter. It's been sitting all day. Oh, mid muffler delete on the SRT8 300. It's dark, y'all barely can see it, but you know. Give me a second, might give y'all a couple revs. Hold tight. Alright, we back. Turn that down. So look at that. Joe, can you see that? 34,000 miles. That's crazy. Hold, let me see if I can get y'all some revs. Alright, let's see if we can get y'all some revs. Alright, well, that's about all for today, for the night. Well, get my butt home, tired, just got off work. Until the next video, I'ma holler. Peace.